watch my gnome video, but now I'm making snowman. Isn't he cute? Oops, gotta get that to stay down. Very similar. So I'll show you how to do this. Same deal, get a sock, put it over a glass and pour a bunch of rice in, but you need more rice than you did with the gnome. Push it down, pour some more in. This isn't enough. That's about how much you use for the gnome, but it's not enough for the snowman. So see if we can do this without spilling rice all over. A little bit more. All right. Pardon the no makeup. Look kind of bad, but it is what it is. I didn't have any makeup on, and I was making these for fun, and then I decided to show you all how to do them, so I was too lazy to go put makeup on, so I just put like a little rubber band to hold it, and then you're going to put a tie around it. I just been using, you can use fishing line, you can use dental floss. This is embroidery thread. You can use pretty much anything to tie it, but the rubber bands can break sometimes eventually, especially if they get weathered. So if you want to keep this for more than one season or whatever, you want to put some string around it. So tie some string around the top to keep it shut so you don't get rice everywhere. Today's Sunday, so I'll have to do a Mask Monday next. Next video I make will be a Mask Monday. Okay, let's cut this off. Maybe cut this off a little bit shorter. Now we're going to take another piece. I'm kind of running out of this stuff. I'm going to have to find some dental floss or something. I'm running out of, it's all tangled up too. That doesn't help. Come on. I'm going to pause you for a minute while I untangle. I gave up. I couldn't get it untangled. I just cut a hunk off. So now I'm going to take and make like a head by tying it with a piece of string. Tight. So it makes it like a head. See, now he's got like a little head. His head's kind of small. Maybe I should tie it a little farther down. Now I wasted this string. I think he needs a bigger head. That one was kind of small. Let's get another piece of string. Alrighty, let's try his head down a little farther. That's a little better. Don't want him to have a peanut head. Needs more the size of a what do you call those things? Those little bitty oranges. There, that's better. See, a little bit bigger head. All right, now what do we want? What sock do we want to put on him? I think I'm going to put this red and green striped one. So I'm going to cut it right below the heel. Now I'm being lazy, you can glue it on, but I'm just turning it under, putting it on there. See? Well, you need to pull it up a little bit. You need to see his little face. There you go. Then I'm going to take another piece of the top of this sock and just cut a piece off to be his scarf that goes around his neck. Okay, so you want just a piece that looks like that. I'll take this off for now. Just put that around his neck. And then I'm going to cut another piece of this off. Probably the green. Maybe green and red. This one I'm going to cut, so it's just one long piece. It's not a circle, see? I'm going to take it and put it close as you can see. Maybe I have you just on the table. I should put you on something so it's higher so you can see what I'm doing better. So I'm just tying this in a knot, making like a little scarf. This is a little long, so I'm going to cut it off. I'm going to put you on top of a box, see if that helps. Oh, that made it worse. I need something like that that's going to prop you up. There, that's a little better. Or is it? Maybe it's not any better. You see me better, but you can't see the snowman any better. So there's his scarf. So let's put his hat back on. I might go back and glue them, but I might not. The hats, I mean. Now I have these they're little jewels, stick jewels, and I've got a whole box of them, and I've got a bunch of different colors, and these are black, so they're perfect for his little eyeballs. And they've already got glue on them, so I can just kind of stick them on there. So there's his little eyeballs. Now I have a bag full of buttons. Now I'm going to pick 3 out that are the same color, or 2, depending. Let's see what we got here. I have 3 tiny brown ones. I have 3 bigger beigey ones. Maybe we'll go with those. These little beigey ones. I have a glue gun over here that I'm gonna for sure burn myself with. I guarantee it. I always do. Especially with a button because it's got holes in it, so I'm bound to get some ow, ow, ow. As I said, get some glue on my fingers, invariably. I'm not the best glue gunner person in the world. My glue gun is pretty whipped. I need a new one. It kind of works, but I'll show it to you in a minute. It's just really beat up. Okay, he's almost done. Isn't he cute? He just needs his little carrot nose. You're supposed to use, in the video I saw, I watched several videos and they use various and sundry things, but where is it? Somewhere in here I have I only have a white pipe cleaner, but you can see the end of it. I've been coloring it orange with a marker because I don't have orange and he needs an orange nose, not a white nose. So I'm taking my marker and coloring it, see? And we're about ran out of ink on this thing, but I think he might be the last one I'm gonna make. I'll show you all the ones I've made so far. The last one I'm gonna make today anyway. Not sure what I'm gonna do with all these. I'm just having fun making them. All right, there's a, oh, need some more over here. That side's white still. Glad I picked it up to show you because I didn't see the white part till I picked it up to show you. Okay. So here's a little piece of orange. That one's a little too big, so I'm gonna cut it to about that big. Looks like a nose size. And again, we'll see if I can manage to burn myself with the glue. There we go. All done. Isn't he cute? And he was pretty easy. What did it take me, 10 minutes to do? It would take a little longer if I would have hot glued the hat on, but I didn't. But I think he turned out very cute. So here's the one we just did. And then here's the first one I did. This guy, he's only got 2 buttons, but they were big buttons, so he's only got 2. And then this guy I already showed you. Number 4. So what do you think? Do you want to try making them? Yep. Let's see, there we go.
Boy, do I need some makeup on. So anyway, that's the way you make this